We are going to look at how to create an ordering question item type. So let's create our new item. I am going to make this a very simple problem because I'm just showing you the item type. And in fact, I'm going to leave my standard NA. So I do have to add some kind of standard, but I can leave NA because at this point, I'm not even going to worry about what standard it supports. Now, let's look. I am going to say, put these numbers in counting order. And I'm going to insert an ordering area. So here is my ordering area. Now, my objects, I'm going to start typing in 1, 2, 3, 4. I want more objects than this. So I might go, I could go all the way to 10 if I wanted. Now, I can type them in a mixed step order. But if I type them in the correct order, or I insert my pictures in the correct order, the correct order right here is already set. I do want to shuffle the answer choices though. That means each time the question is opened, the objects will appear in a different order, right? So I want to shuffle. My correct order is already set. If my correct order was not in the correct order, I can click and drag them into the correct order. So the default is set on vertical, and let's look at what that looks like. When the problem is vertical, all of your answer choices show up vertically. That means I can click and drag the items into their correct position. I can also choose horizontally, and that will appear just as it does. So here is my horizontal way, and I can click and drag. In some cases, organizing it vertically is more conducive to your subject that you're doing, sometimes orienting it horizontally. So really it just depends on what type of question you're asking, what subject. So you'll see that I'm dragging them into the correct order. So whether it's top down or horizontally, you can organize them however you want. You can have as many answer choices as like. I really haven't tried it with like a crazy number, but you'll see right here I have 10 in my example, and it works both ways. If you want to get rid of any of your object choices, you can here. The correct order is listed here. Now, the rubric, although it says there's a rubric, your choice is limited. So you'll see I cannot change my bubble group. My choices are 1 point or 0 points. That's it. I could, there we go. That's not what I want. I can add, it is correct or incorrect, which means when the computer scores it, the student has to have all of the objects in the correct order to receive the point. See, 1 point or 0 points. Those are the only choices for the ordering questions. So when I'm done, I will save and finish to generate my question ID number. This question ID number is what I would either write down or I would paste into a doc so that when I create the test using that item, I can easily find that item. Again, this example was a very simple example just to show you how to create the ordering, an ordering item type. You can use, instead of numbers, you could use letters, you could use sentences, paragraphs, you can use images, equations. Really, it's an unlimited amount of things that you could order. So it really is applicable to all grade levels and all subject areas. All right, that is how you create an ordering item type in IO education. Thank you.